Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Part A. The oxidation half reaction occurring at the anode is solid aluminum goes to aluminum 3 plus aqueous plus 3 electrons as shown by the aluminum electrode.
B. The balanced net ionic equation is 2 solid aluminum plus 3 zinc 2 plus aqueous goes to 2 aluminum 3 plus aqueous plus 3 solid zinc. Transferred, 2 moles of aluminum are consumed. 2 times 26.98 grams per mole equals 53.96 grams, while 3 moles of zinc are produced. 3 times 65.
Electrons. Zinc changes by 32.69 grams, while aluminum changes by 8.99 grams.
Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.